How to load a game in Project Jazz. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Project Jazz and want to load a previously saved game, first of all open up the Project Jazz application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Load Game button at the bottom center, and on the next page choose the saved game or saved slot you want to use and click on Load. Soon after you do that, your game will be loaded with your saved progress. So that is how you can easily load a previously saved game in Project Jazz. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.